Automate your entire trade management process with the most advanced tool on the market. Remove emotions, perfect execution, all instruments. Trade the Asian session, London session, and New York session in your sleep. Spend less than 2 hours on charts and allow the Wushu to trade for you through all sessions. Wushu 2.0 features auto place, stop orders, auto break even, auto partials, auto trail stop, proprietary auto exit strategy. How it all works. Step 1. Analyze your charts and set up your trade ideas. Step 2. Input your trade setups, entry point, stop loss, and risk. Step 3. Go about your day and let the Wushu do all the work through all sessions. Summary. The Wushu will position size for you, auto place stop order, move stop to break even, take partials for you, trail stop, limit max loss for the day. Step auto hedge. Analyze your charts. The Wushu set up your trade ideas. Auto hedge mode. Step 2. Every position. Input your trade setups. It will manage the stop position and risk. The dojo. Step 3. Go about your day and let the Wushu do all the work, losing positions and take profits from the winning position. The Wushu 2.0 auto hedge mode is set to close at 1.5 R of every position it takes. Take your trading to the next level with the Wushu 2.0. Get our tool, uniforexdojo.com. info@uniforexdojo.
Good day, traders. Hoping that everybody's doing well today. Let's take a look at what the market has in store for us. Let's see what we can take advantage of and hopefully get some pips for the day. Okay. Now, before I get started, just confirm with me how my sound is. I know there's a bit of a lag, but if you can just confirm with me how my sound is, and then we can definitely take it from there. I think that'll be brilliant. And also just moving forward, let me just open this chat here so I can be able to see what you guys have and what you guys are saying. Okay. I see everybody saying my sound is good. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Drop your pairs on the side there, and then we can definitely get started. One of the guys yesterday requested that we take a look at VIX. Is it VIX? Yes. VIX 75. I haven't actually looked at that ever, so we'll see how that works out. The volatility index is a 75. Let me just type the whole word. And then let's see which one it is. Hopefully we can get that. I see you can say sound is profitable. Perfect. Sami, sound is good. Awesome, awesome, guys. Yes, let's see if we can keep that fire on streak, guys. Let's see if we can get that fire on streak. Okay, I'm not finding this VIX 75, so hopefully if it's on, you can just direct me where to get it. Then I can definitely take a look and break it down, and hopefully we can find some good moves in there. Also, something beautiful to announce today. We officially are on Patreon, so you can check our description. I think the link is there, so you can just hop in there. And also, we are going live with the New York sessions from Monday. So we'll be having 2 sessions a day, and try to take advantage of that. Okay. So I think Jonathan wants us to look at CAD JPY. Let's go. So we've got 4 pairs to look at in this session, and then see how that works out. I saw also is it Davy Jones? I don't know if it's Davy Jones or someone. He was saying yesterday, looking at this GU pair, that this was actually a loss. And I just need to break it down for him. Was it this one? Yes, it was this one. So you can actually understand how we take our setups. And I keep repeating this every session. I'll probably have a banner at the bottom there to just explain this to any new people that watch our stream. When we have our setups, we do not trade limit orders. So when price does come down, we do not enter here. We wait for price to get into the stop loss range. And once it's in the stop loss range, we place buy stops. And then once you place your buy stops, your price will only be triggered on its way up. So we don't do limit orders, and we also don't do market execution. Always buy stops, stick into the price points, and then you'll definitely be good. So hopefully he's watching, can take a look at that, and also just go back into our videos. And I think I did put it in our description as well. I updated it yesterday. Just take a look at how we take our setups. It'll definitely help. And you'll be able to take advantage of our daily setups. Okay, so hopefully I've answered him. This one we missed it yesterday, guys, and literally turned it a weekly zone. And I think we marked this a while back. Yeah. Turned it our weekly zone. So we missed that beautiful entry at the top. But that doesn't mean we're not going to find something decent. And it's a Friday after all, guys, so do minimize your risk. And just as the London or the New York goes midway, that's about time where you start winding down your setups. You start removing, you start moving your stops to partial, and if nothing triggered, then you literally avoid. So that's a bit too tight. Let's increase the stop loss range slightly. It's about 4. I'm just gonna go up a bit as well, just to keep it above 5. Yeah, there we go. That should be fine. So we'll have a setup like that on CAD JPY. Beautiful. There we go. So follow the rules. Don't use market orders. Don't use limit orders. Literally wait for price to get into the stop loss range. And then once it gets into the stop loss range, then and only then do you place sell stops. And then you wait for price to be triggered. So price is either going to leave you and your trade won't trigger, or it's going to come back, kick you in, probably wick you out, or get into your favor. So we're just trying to minimize the chances of getting wicked out, trying to take advantage of this. Awesome, guys. Don't forget to like the stream, guys. Don't forget to like the stream. We're gradually growing. Okay. And then Sami wants us to look at US 30 and GJ. And then your Queen is saying US 30. Just want monthly POV. I'm currently holding a beautiful sell. Okay, in US 30. So let's look at US 30. I need 2 more pairs, guys, or rather 1 more pair. Well, we sold here at the top, so if you still, yeah, I know we got out early, but yeah, this one is gone. It's definitely gone. Let's see if we can find a potential point of entry. Nothing in here. There's a high chance, there's a huge chance price is actually going to drop all the way into the zone here. So let's see how we can try enter that market. There's a huge imbalance that was left here as well. See, price is forming a bit of a range on the hourly, and forming a bit of a range. This would be a very tricky one to actually get into. Yeah, very tricky, and left a lot of footprints on this way down. So I think ideally with this one, I'll probably wait for price to come back into the zone. Literally to come back into that zone. And until it does that, I don't think I'd be entering this. I will actually have to wait for it to get into a better level. So for now, there is nothing on that for now. Let's look at its counterpart, US 100. Also, the same notion, we got kicked out early, but it does happen. It does happen. I just have to get used to it. Okay, no, that's definitely out. That's definitely out. Let's look at GJ. And I know Mr. Bowers wanted us to look at US 100 and GJ. So hopefully he's watching as well. I did drop a question on Instagram on my live. And I just asked what pairs you guys want me to look at. And we did get a few responses. So that was the US 100, US 13. And yeah, okay, we do have a beautiful setup in here actually. Hopefully we'll find a decent entry. If you're in the bootcamp, you'll start understanding what I'm actually looking for and how I actually get to these setups, and of course start taking advantage of that. Ideally, this is too far for me. It did get mitigated on this candle, but I don't see another point of entry that would be better. Okay, so, and it did get mitigated, so there's a high chance you might not even get price getting all the way up there, but we could get it into the zone here. So actually we are going to use these two. Hopefully what I'll do is I'll place alert in the middle, and then if you are in the Discord, I'll break it down and we'll find a better stop loss range, because 67 is way too high. Because now if you use this one here, it's too short, it got mitigated. If we use this one here and we ignore this high here, we're gonna find ourselves getting wicked out too soon. And then that's a 5-minute mitigation using the hourly high here. So we'll have something along these lanes, and then of course watch what price does in this region. And remember, this is picked up from the higher time frame, from a daily, by the way. So it's not just us looking at what's happening in current price, and then of course going to the downside. Okay, so that'll be how we approach GJ. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. There we go. And that's how we will. Sorry about that. And that's about it on GJ. Let's see what it does in that region. I'll be posting this onto the advanced signals. So if you're not in there, get yourself in there. Check it out. Let's see what you can take advantage of. Okay, beautiful. And then moving forward, I see we have Quartz wants us to look at UCAD, and then Yakuid wants us to look at Bitcoin. So let's look at those two, and then of course we're gonna hop off and get ready for a session. Okay, beautiful. Sorry about that. Okay, UCAD, always start with the basics. Understand your landscape, understand where you are in price, understand what you're looking at, and then let's see how that is gonna work out. Just hold on, I'm just trying to. Okay, this is the daily. There's nothing clear there. Look at the 4-hour. And now we hit a stop loss here yesterday, by the way, guys. Price literally wicked us out, but look at the direction. It went up to 30R. So yeah, we missed that one, but it happens. It really happens. So you'll just have to wipe your tears and move on to find some good setups. But nothing is clear today. This Friday is turning out to be like our, I think it was Tuesday. where we struggled to find some good setups in the London, but when we got deeper into price, we did get something. So there's something in the 30-minute, but now remember with the 30-minute, we're looking at some very, very tight spreads. So let's see how that works out. Let's see how that goes. 5 minute, 1 minute. Ooh, that's gonna be too tight. And this one did get mitigated, so that's the only unmitigated 1 minute candle that we see now. This one did, so that's not gonna work. So we are gonna stick to the 5 minute one, which would be this one. Of course, almost got mitigated here, and then we're gonna have a decent sell in this region. Of course, targeting either these lows here or these ones here. But if you are using the Wushu toolbox, then you shouldn't be worried about that. Your risk will be taken care of and you'll be good to go. Okay, there we go. And that's the UCAT setup. I think this is probably gonna trigger before I even get off the stream, so do keep an eye on it. And then we've got Bitcoin. That's the last one. Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin right there. That's a tricky one. Let's see. It is going back into our region. It's been playing around this for a while, guys. It's been playing around here, and we caught one here. Potentially we could catch another one here. Let's see how that works. Yeah, let's move it. We are going to keep these conditions here, but I think there's something in the hourly. I'm just going to break it down. I'm just going to break it down. Okay, let me mark that. Let's see. Yeah, there's something happening in the daily or in the hourly. It's just a bit tricky because with these massive wicks. Okay, let's see how it looks in the 4 hour. It might look cleaner. Yep, it does. If I was to use, I don't think I'd use that OB there. And then going lower into a 30. It's a bit tricky because this one did get mitigated. So should actually be expecting price to be going deeper down right now, actually. Okay, let's see. Let's go deeper in. Let's give this a bit of a decent autopsy and try and dismantle it. Okay, go into the 1 minute. That's fine there. I'm trying to find something in this region here that is not mitigated, that looks. There's one here. There's one here, but it just got touched now. I wouldn't use that one. I wouldn't use that one. That one there. And that high over there. So we'd have something like that. So let's see. It did get touched in. That's where my concern is. So right now we should be seeing something along these lanes. And of course get into our region. So either break our region or of course go back to the top side. So let's mark this one right here. I'm not going to refine this one even deeper. We're just going to keep it as is. And of course if price gets in there, you place your orders and let's see how that works from there. Okay. And that's about it for today's session, guys. Don't forget to like the stream. Check out our Patreon. I'm just going to drop the link as well on the chat there. Awesome. There we go. And let's catch up again on Monday, pre-London. And of course, we'll be having pre-London and pre-New York. So we'll be catching both. And anything from there, do drop me a Telegram. There's my Telegram link in the description. And of course, we can definitely check other things and keep trading, guys. So happy trading and cheers, guys. Enjoy your weekend.